Today I'm not going to show you only how to make a lazy French onion soup, but also I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for those who already know how to make one and want to get better. My name is Paul, I'm a chef and occasionally a content creator, trying to make videos with added value and the aim to teach you something new. Today we are making a classic French onion soup. You want to start with peeling 6 medium-sized onions that we washed before, because all the skins and the parts we removed we will add to our beef stock to make it more richer. Followed by slicing it thinly, but not too thin because otherwise it will get overcooked and that's not what we want, but also not too thick because it will not caramelize properly. You still want to feel the nice texture of onion. Add 50 grams of butter in a medium-sized pot on a high heat and let it melt until it starts bubbling. Then you can add your sliced onion. Onions are 90% of water, so what we want to do, and that's a tip number 1, season it in the beginning with a salt. That will help the onion to release all the moisture and it will save you a lot of time. And now you can add 2 pieces of bay leaf. That's tip number 2. Roasting a bay leaf with a natural fat like a butter, it will help to release all the essential oils from it and it will give your food a better taste. When you start seeing that your onion is getting nice and brown color and it is getting a little bit brown on the bottom of the pot as well, that's a great sign that you are doing the caramelization good. Just be careful that the nice brown color will not turn into a black one. First we're gonna add a half a cup of alcohol. I like to add brandy, but pretty much any dark alcohol will do its job. Immediately after pouring the liquid, you will see that the brown bottom starts to fall apart, and with a little help of a wooden spatula and a beef stock you will scrape it all off and it will give the nice brown color back to the onion. Now let's make a roux. That's basically a mixture of flour and butter and it will help to thicken the soup. Add 1 big tablespoon of white flour and make sure you're gonna mix it properly. And then we are going to slowly add the rest of the beef stock, but just make sure it's gonna be boiling hot. If it is gonna be a store-bought stock or you made your own, of course it's gonna matter, but the choice is on you and depends how much free time you have. If you have more free time, I will recommend to make your own stock. Then bring it to the boil and add 1 bunch of fresh thyme or 2 tablespoons of dry one. Mix it well and let it simmer on a low heat for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of LP sauce, aka Worcestershire sauce, and half a stick of butter. We're gonna mix it and then this will give a nice umami flavor to the soup. And there you go, you have your own French onion soup. But the job is not finished yet. Now the most important part, we gotta assemble it. Step 1, we're gonna cut and toast the French baguette on a pan with a little bit of olive oil until it's gonna get nice and crispy. Step number 2, your cheese option. When you want to stay authentic, it comes down to only 2 options. It's either Gruyere cheese or provolone. If you don't want to be authentic, you can use mild cheddar or mozzarella. And finally, a last step. Add your onion soup to the bowl. Then you are going to add 3 pieces of toasted French baguette. And on top of it, you're gonna add your finely grated Gruyere cheese. Then you are going to put it straight to the preheated oven on 420 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add finely chopped parsley on the top and congratulations, you just made yourself a great onion soup. I don't even know what to say right now. I mean, it was delicious. I'm done. I think I'm gonna take a nap right now. So, yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Paul and this was my recipe for a French onion soup. I hope you like it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It will help this channel to grow. It will make me very happy as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next week. Bye bye. And I'm gonna take a nap right now.